EA4.
D12, that's one.
926.
And the A25? I got this one. D12 is mine.
400.
822.
No, it's not ready yet. Kimberly?
825.
That's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
You ready to go back inside? No more screaming, okay?
Manuel L. For William.
Yeah, so you're going to come with the brownie all over. That's it.
Alright, thank you. Alright, bye.
Joseph D. Hey, go ahead.
Thank you
You're welcome.
very much.
Have a good night. Okay, have a good day. This is nice. Dane? Yeah, that's it. Diane, thank you. Food delivery? Yeah. There you go. Have a good day. Thank you. Hey, Leah and Deborah, D-E-B-O-R. Oh, okay, I'll wait for it. Deborah M. Who? Yeah, that's it. I got the other two. Thank you. How you doing? Yeah, PIN number?
Thank you so much.
Yeah, have a good one. Thank you. No problem. Which one is it?
Thank you.
Have a good one. That's one. Albert? Yeah. Thank you. No, no. Cars parked around. Oh, sorry. Hi, this is your UBEREATS food delivery. I'm in the lobby. Okay, all right, thank you. All right.
1 minute later.
Can't sit there all day waiting, you know. What you do if they don't show up or something like that, take a picture with your own app in your phone, just in case they want to call UBEREATS or whatever and say it wasn't delivered. You have the picture, and plus you have body cam footage too. Always protect yourself, because people, they want to say, it was never delivered. Plus, I'm sure this building has camera footage of me delivering it to them too. So, people always lie, say things weren't delivered. And yes, I'm walking down 7 flights of stairs because I don't like elevators. Interesting. Okay. Thank you. There you go. You're welcome. Thank you. Have a good night.